Hello and welcome to Simply Solve's Video Resource Library. This session will cover the download and installation of the LiAM program from our website to your workstation. All right, to begin, let's go ahead and open up a browser and navigate to simplysolve.com. Then select Free Trial. LiAM is a Microsoft Access database, and it does require the latest versions of Microsoft Windows and Microsoft Access for optimum performance. To get started, left-click on the Click Here button here on step 1. Then left-click on the downloaded file, left-click at the open prompt, use your left mouse button, click and hold the LiAM folder, and just drag it over to your desktop. All right, let's go back to the free trial page and click here on step 2. This will take you to our resources latest release page, where you can get the latest release of our user interface at any time. To do that, left click here. When it downloads, go ahead and left click again. Left click at the open prompt. And when the user interface appears, go ahead and left click and hold on the user interface and drag it over to your desktop. All right, we're done with the website. We're going to go ahead and close it out for now and tell you a little bit about LiAM. LiAM is designed to be used in a standalone mode where the database and the user interface are on the same workstation or in the same folder. However, if you have multiple users who would like to use the program as well, you can move the LiAM folder to a corporate local area network directory. I have one set up here on my desktop just to simulate what that looks like, so I'm going to drag it up to my common network directory. It's important to note that anyone that wants to use this program will need read and write permissions into that folder. All right, now that we have the LiAM database located, let's double click on the LiAM user interface. Use the left mouse button and click twice. LiAM application will open. And you're going to be given a welcome screen here and asked to connect the user interface to the LiAM folder backend database. So go ahead and click here to connect to the LiAM backend. And now we're going to navigate to that desktop corporate network LiAM folder. And we're going to go in and we're going to select production. Go ahead and open up the production folder, double click it, and here is the LiAM backend database. This is the common database that stores all of your data. All the users can load the user interface on their workstations and then follow that connection path back to where you have this folder located. So we're going to double click on this right now. Now the user interface will be connecting to the database. Once it does, you're going to have an end user license agreement. Read through it. It discusses the terms and conditions for using our program. Then select I agree. All right, now you're ready to create your first user account. Most users will authenticate through their workstation, meaning that they're going to have a value here in username. If that's the case, go ahead and select Create to create your first user account. However, if you do not have a value here, you're going to have to set up a manual authentication mode to use LiAM. To do that, just change this from network to manual. And now you'll have to enter a password, a username, and a password to log into LiAM. LiAM creates your first password as your username, but you're free to change that before you select Create. But since most people are going to be authenticating in a network mode, we're going to go ahead and switch back to network. All right, then select Create. LiAM will create your first user account. Now you'll have visibility of the LiAM application. You'll be able to see the different components and modules. All of these are going to be covered in additional video resource library training series. For now, though, I just want you to know that we've populated this application with sample data that will allow you to see what this looks like. Again, we have modules that are going to cover these in depth. This is just a general first look at the application itself. Okay. This completes our session on the download and installation of the LiAM program. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out to us on our website contact page at simplysolve.com and let us know how we can help you.